If you want to use split screen mode on your Samsung Galaxy A26, follow the simple steps. So first of all, open up two applications which support your split screen. For example, I'll open up Google Chrome and YouTube. Now, open up your recent apps, hold your finger on any of the applications and swipe down to the bottom. Release your finger and that's it. Now our split screen is opened. So there we are, right? You can redrag and change the size over the window by using this handle, right? So you can make it smaller or bigger. That's how you do this. And when you want to close your split screen, simply exit the application or drag this scale to the bottom. So the second way of opening up our split screen mode is through our gesture. So open up your settings, scroll down to your advanced features tab. Here locate your multi-window. And here make sure to enable your swipe for split screen option. Great. Now let's open up two applications, and so we already did, and swipe up from the bottom of our screen. It may not work from the first time, so simply take your time, try it out, and eventually you will get it. Let me try to do that again. Yeah, easy as that. Now choose split screen, and now everything works. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.